really need to learn how to use this camera. Hi everyone, it is Tammy. I'm recording this for the second time because I forgot to hit record. Oh, word. So it is Tuesday on my way home from work, and I have a little bit of exciting news. So yesterday when I got home, my husband said that he wanted me to go with him somewhere to look at something, and I was not in the mood and I did not want to go. It was Monday, I was tired, I just wanted to do my own thing, and by the time I get home, excuse me, I usually have some sort of plan for what I want to do for the evening. So I hate it when it's disrupted by whatever he wants to do or even somebody else wants to do. Sometimes it's not fun, and I didn't want to go. I was like, I do not want to go. But he talked me into it, or guilted me into it, might be a better way of saying it. So I went, and he wanted to look at a boat, and he has been saying that he's wanted a boat for a while. And this boat, he was telling me the price, and I thought, there is no way you're going to get a boat that floats for that price. We pulled up to this house, and there was a boat out front, and he's like, there it is. And I thought to myself, I didn't say anything, but I thought to myself, that's not the boat. There's no way that's the boat, because if that's for the price that you told me, that there has to be a rowboat in the back that has a hole in it. That's going to be what you're looking at. But I was wrong and he was right. That was the boat, and it actually looked really good, and I was very surprised. So it is an older boat, and it's a fishing boat, and it does need some work in the looks department, but they like painted the back motor thing red, and it's an awful color. The way that they painted it was awful too. They didn't do a good job. And then the upholstery is horrendous. It even has like a cover that has this upholstery on it, and it has fringe hanging down. It's so not our style. It is horrible. So we're definitely going to need to reupholster it. It had sun damage, and it had been like cloth. It looked like they used indoor fabric for this outdoor boat, which is weird. And it was cloth, and I wouldn't think you'd want cloth on a boat. I would think you'd want some sort of waterproof, like vinyl or something. So I don't know, but anyway, I will probably just reupholster it myself. I'm thinking I just need to go to the craft store and get some stuff, and then the canopy, like I said, is awful, so I'll have to replace that somehow, figure out something. I could probably just make another one, but I don't know if that, I don't know a lot about boats, so I don't know what the canopy is supposed to look like or be made of, so I'll have to do some research on that and figure it out. But that's kind of fun. And Dennis talked him down, and he got an even better deal than I expected. So honestly, he did a good job on this. I think he is going to have a lot of fun. We are going to have a lot of fun on it. We have some lakes around here that we can use it on. We don't live on a lake, so that's kind of a bummer, but I would eventually love to live on a lake and have like a pontoon boat. That would be really nice. But this is just kind of a fishing boat, and but you could put like a tube on the back and go tubing, and my son is very excited about that. Now, we also can't store it in our neighborhood because of the homeowners association, so we're gonna have to find somewhere else to store it. And Dennis has talked to his uncle that lives close-ish, and his uncle said that he can store it at his house if we wanted to, so that's better than nothing, and it's free. So that might be where we end up taking it. We might look at some storage units to see how much they are, because I don't even know. I hate to pay for a storage unit, but at the same time, what do, you know? And this would maybe keep it out of the elements, you know, in the direct sunlight and the snow and all that. Even though we would get a cover for it, still, you know, So I don't know exactly how that's going to happen, but that is my big news, that we have a boat. Now I know that I watch a lot of judge shows, and they say the 2 best days of a boat owner's life are the day they buy the boat and the day they sell the boat. So I don't know if that's going to be true or not, but honestly, we got it pretty much for a song, so I am pretty happy about that. And if it ends up being, you know, used for just a year or 2, I think we would have gotten our money's worth. So that is okay with me. I know I have wasted more money before on less, so you know, this is kind of a nice starter boat and will help us get, you know, to the next boat if we decide that's what we want to do. So this guy next to me has his windows down and is listening to music, so I'm going to pause this. Wow, that was awful. Not only was it a horrible song, and if I had to get copywritten in trouble for that, that would be awful. Oh my gosh. Whew. So anyway, that was my happy news that I needed to tell you guys. And then we are getting Katie on Thursday for the summer. She'll be finished with all of her stuff. So I am super happy about that. Oh gosh, scared me to death. Oh, sorry guys, there was a police officer that had a car pulled over, and it looked like my son's car, and there was an IU license plate, which my son has. I was about ready to throw up. I didn't know what to do. I'm like, do I pull over too? What do I do? I was nervous, and it's just a pullover. I probably shouldn't get so crazy. Whew, but that scared me. And he should be home, but you know, sometimes if he had to go get gas or something, he could have been there. Oh, thank God. Not that I want anybody to be pulled over, but you know, I think you moms know what I mean, or dads, or I think you know what I mean. Whew. So anyway, he has the rest of this week and next week before he's out, so that's pretty exciting for him. And so it is happening. Summer is soon approaching, and the weather has gotten a lot better, and it is 80 degrees right now. I have my air on. I am not gonna turn that off right yet. So yeah, I guess that's the good news and my happy things, and I am going to let you guys go because I'm almost home, but I will talk to you soon. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.